Welcome to the course. My name is Kshitij, and in this course, we are going to learn about graphical user interface with Python using Tkinter. This course will make you an expert with Tkinter. We'll be making a to-do application using Python, which looks very modern. You should consider this course if you have better intermediate knowledge about Python. We'll follow a perfect sequence of making a software from scratch, and we will be splitting the sequence into separate videos which consist of deciding a feature, making a Figma design, creating an application design on Tkinter, setting up app routings, implementing database and login credentials, implementing to-do list, maintaining user sessions, and finally some cherry on top. The library we are going to use is custom Tkinter to make things look more modern, BoxDB as a database, PyTN for maintaining user logins. I hope you all the best with my course. My intentions with making this course is about improving your knowledge about Python GUI and making you learn about good practices when programming. That's all for the intro. Bye, I'll see you in the course.